Timing can make or break your resale game. Imagine selling snow boots in summer or swimsuits in winter. Doesn't make sense, right? Let's get it right. Spring is the perfect time to sell gardening tools. People are itching to get their hands dirty and start planting. Stock up early and see them fly off the shelves. Summer is all about outdoor activities. Think grills, pool floats, and camping gear. These items sell like hotcakes when the sun is blazing. Back-to-school season is a gold mine. Parents are on the hunt for stationery, backpacks, and electronics. Plan ahead and watch your sales spike. Fall means cozy vibes. Think of selling sweaters, blankets, and pumpkin-themed decor. People crave comfort as the weather cools down. Winter is your time to shine with holiday decorations and gifts. Everyone is in a shopping frenzy. Be ready with your festive inventory. Tax season is underrated. Office supplies and accounting software see a surge in demand. Don't miss out on this niche market. Valentine's Day isn't just about love. Think chocolates, flowers, and romantic gifts. Stock up and spread the love. Spring break is a hidden gem for travel gear. Luggage, travel-sized toiletries, and beachwear are hot items. Don't miss the wave. Mother's Day and Father's Day are perfect for selling gifts. From gadgets to personalized items, stock up early and make parents smile. Graduation season calls for celebration. Think of selling gifts, party supplies, and dorm essentials. Grads and their families are ready to spend. Back to college season is another peak. Furniture, kitchen supplies, and electronics are in high demand. Plan your inventory wisely. Summer festivals mean big business. Think of selling festival gear like tents, portable chargers, and funky outfits. Join the festive spirit. Halloween is a spooktacular opportunity. Costumes, decorations, and candy are must-haves. Get creative and scare up some sales. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are retail gold. Think electronics, gadgets, and big-ticket items. Plan your deals and promotions early. Winter sports gear is a hot seller. Ski equipment, snowboards, and winter jackets are in high demand. Cater to the adrenaline junkies. New year, new resolutions. Think fitness gear, planners, and wellness products. People are eager to start fresh. Valentine's gifts for kids are often overlooked. Think plush toys and cute accessories. Parents love spoiling their little ones. Think of Easter as a mini Christmas. Think baskets, chocolates, and bunny-themed items. Don't miss out on this cheerful holiday. Wedding season is huge. Think dresses, decorations, and gifts. Couples are ready to splurge. Be their go-to supplier. Summer vacations mean travel essentials. Think neck pillows, travel kits, and sunblock. Travelers are on the lookout for the best gear. Father's Day is great for selling barbecue tools and gadgets. Dads love their toys. Make sure you have what they want. Think of selling DIY kits during the holiday season. People love crafting gifts. Stock up on supplies and kits. Cyber Monday is another peak. Think tech gadgets and smart home devices. Shoppers are looking for the best deals. Spring cleaning season is perfect for selling organizing tools. Think storage bins, labels, and cleaning supplies. Prom season is a hit for formal wear and accessories. Think dresses, tuxedos, and jewelry. Teens are ready to shine. Think of selling pet products during the holidays. Pets are family too. Stock up on toys, outfits, and treats. Holiday travel gear is a must. Think travel bags, cozy accessories, and travel-sized products. Help travelers enjoy their trips. Mother's Day is perfect for self-care products. Think spa kits and beauty products. Moms deserve the best. Think of selling workout gear in January. Think yoga mats, weights, and fitness trackers. Everyone's on a health kick.